Hello traders, and welcome back to the Forex Geek, where we dive deep into the tools that can help you make smarter trading decisions. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the Supertrend ADX strategy, a powerful combination of indicators that can significantly enhance your trading performance. You will learn how to identify strong trends, filter out weak signals, and make more informed entry and exit decisions. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how to implement this strategy in your own trading. So stay tuned as we break down the components of this strategy and show you how to use it effectively in the Forex market. So without wasting any much of your time, let's get started. The Supertrend indicator, first of all, I will explain the indicators used in this strategy. We have two indicators which are widely used. We have the Supertrend and we have the ADX. Now, the Supertrend indicator is designed to help you identify the direction of the market. It does this by plotting a line on your chart based on the average true range, ATR, and price movements. Now, this we have here is our Supertrend, and we have the green line and we have the red line, all plotted on the chart. When prices are trending upward, the super trend line appears below the candlestick, just like we can see here, and it's colored green, indicating a bullish market. Meanwhile, when price trends downward, the line moves above the candlesticks and turns red, signaling bearish conditions, as you can see here. See here, here, and here. And these are just showing us that yes, we are bearish and we should be looking for bearish trades. However, while the Supertrend indicator is effective at identifying trends, it can sometimes generate false signals during periods where the market moves sideways. For example, we have here where the market is actively ranging. So we have about 6 signals from the Supertrend indicator. So this is advisable to look for signals from this indicator only when we are in a trending market. So, and also this is where the average directional index ADX comes into play in this strategy. The ADX indicator, which is this indicator under here, this one, it was created by J. Wells Wilder, who is also the creator of the RSI. It measures how strong or weak a current trend is. It doesn't indicate trend direction, rather it provides a numerical value ranging from 0 to 100. Generally speaking, an ADX reading above 25, which is this line here, an ADX reading above 25 suggests that the market is experiencing a strong trend, either bullish or bearish, while values below 25 typically indicate weaker trends or sideways markets. So by combining these two indicators, the Supertrend indicator and the ADX, you gain two critical advantages. First, you can clearly see whether a market is trending upwards or downwards, or in a sideways market, and this is based on the Supertrend indicator's positioning and color. Second, you can confirm whether this identified trend is strong enough to justify entering a trade by checking if the ADX reading surpasses your predetermined threshold, which is 25. Now 25 is the default. This dual confirmation significantly reduces false signals and helps you enter trades with greater confidence. So without wasting any much of your time, let's quickly talk about the strategy and how you can use these two indicators in your trades. So the first step is setting up the indicators in your chart, like setting up your Supertrend and the ADX on your chart. Also, the Supertrend uses a period of 14 and a multiplier of 3. These are standard settings but can be adjusted based on your trading style and the market you are analyzing. And for the ADX, set the length to 14, and this indicator will help you measure the strength of the trend, just like we've said. And then the next step after setting up your chart is the entry conditions. The Supertrend line must turn green. For bullish trades, the Supertrend line must turn green and must be below the price. You can see here, Supertrend line must turn green and must be below price. Then the next step is the ADX value should be above 25, confirming that the trend is a strong one. We have here the ADX value above 25. So at the same time, we can look for candlestick patterns suggesting that yes, indeed, we should take a buy trade from that area. So at the same time, you can see several engulfing candlestick patterns here, and also we have this hammer candlestick pattern, very clear. This is a hammer candlestick pattern. Beside it, we have an engulfing and series of green candles showing price appreciating. At the same time, you can see when we had the cross above 25, which was here, and we have series of green candles at the time. So we could just look to take a buy entry from here with our stop loss below this low, and we could set our take profits all the way up to 1:2 risk to reward ratio, or 1:1.5 risk to reward ratio. And let's look for a sell trade example which we will use to explain. Now remember, both criteria must align at the same time. The super trend must be below price and must be green, and also the ADX must go above 25, as this shows that this current trend is a strong one. So let's look at this bearish example we have here. We have the super trend turning red and moving above price, showing us that indeed we are bearish and we should be looking for sell trades. At the same time, we have the ADX above 25 here. The ADX has been above 25, showing us that we should be selling. And we could just place our sell position at this candlestick pattern right here with our stop loss above that high, and our take profits at 1:2 risk to reward ratio, or we could just trail it using the super trend indicator trend line above price. You can also take your profits when price goes below 25 here, showing that indeed this trend is no more a strong trend and we should be looking to take profits. And you can see after price went below 25 here, we now started having a range in market, which is advisable not to trade when using the super trend indicator. Remember, I told you that in the beginning. And that is how you can use the super trend and ADX strategy to trade in the markets. For added reliability, consider combining this strategy with other tools like volume indicators or price action patterns. This can help confirm entries and exits in uncertain market conditions. So alright traders, you've come to the end of today's video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.